Jen and Derek. We have Julian here who's going to present to us some more pros.
A program written by us.
Yeah, it's created by us. Written by us. I don't know. Yeah.
Hey, loud, loud, loud.
Yeah, must be.
The handwriting is quite poor, so.
Quite how what?
K-Jen loves her Domokun. Getting one would send her to the moon. Take it from her, she'll go boom. Then you know you've met your doom. Derek, he goes boom shakalaka. Knowing well that we don't know what he got out. But somehow it reminds me of an enchilada. Hey, these shoes are from Bata. K-Jen has big bristly hair. Ever so jealous is the big brown bear. Because of the juicy pear, stingy Jen does not want to share.
What?
Derek has no hair at all because he plays too much basketball. At practice down, he always falls once his girlfriend gives him a call. K-Jen is a homeschooler.
Oh no, you
She's
didn't.
always bring her on. She almost licked my cat's fur. Can someone possibly get stupider?
I'm sorry, I wrote that first.
Derek is a Langsat man. His one and only friend is the fan. Has a very dark tan because he wants to be like Ben.
I don't know which band. Which band?
K-Jen, so friendly and nice. With her big head full of lice. Apple, sugar, pepper and spice. The delicious names of her mice. Derek likes the little girls. He's go run for Valentine's. That doesn't rhyme. Thinks his teeth are the white of pearls, but they are not that divine. It don't rhyme. Who wrote this?